So, good morning or good afternoon, whenever you're watching this. I'm really happy to see you, and let's talk about what you're going to do next. We are going to do our local issues article. And if you remember at the end of last assignment, I actually said do the survey on what local issues are important to you. So, now I'm going to read the directions with you on how to do this so you don't have to come to me and say, well, I don't know what to do. I gave you the directions in writing right here. You'll see it. Oh, sorry, I'll point this way. You'll see it. You're going to see it on. You're going to see it right here, and then you're going to also see it in terms of your organizer below. So here's how you're going to proceed. Let's read the directions carefully. I'll read them together. You are going to use this graphic organizer to gather information and organize your notes for your local issues muckraker article. So this isn't your article. I had someone actually say to me, so I just give you this, right? Well, this is the organizer. It's not the article. It's how you put your notes together. Because people who work on big research projects, feature articles, capstone projects, et cetera, they gather information. It's the same process. And you're going to use this to help gather your information so you can make the powerful statements that you're going to make. And after doing this twice, we're going to get rolling on your capstone next. That's why we're doing this. This connects to your ability to do your capstone project. And that's why we're doing this. Now, let's go through the questions. It says, work on these questions in any order you choose, but get started. So I don't know where to start. Well, look at the questions and pick one. And then make sure that you save all your articles in the My Sources section. Right here, My Sources. Hit tab and collect add rows below, and you put all your sources, the name of the article, what you learned, and a link to the article. Now let's go through what the questions say. You ready? Here we go. First, what is your local issue? Well, wait a second. The local issue survey. Remember this, challenge 3.1? You did this survey. If you didn't, stop. Go do this first. Because this particular one, right, I keep pointing in the wrong direction. This one right here, this issue is the one, this survey is going to get you started. So do this survey first. If you haven't done this first, do this. Stop. Do this first, okay? But if you already did it, moving on. The next thing that's going to happen is you're going to go look at what's your local issue. That's the thing that's important to you. What is the one you are going to write about? I care about this. I'm going to write about this. Now, who does it impact? Does it affect just you, your family, the whole Hartford community, the state of Connecticut, the United States of America? Who does it affect? Why is it a problem? Why do I care? Homelessness. I'm not homeless. Why should I care? And of course I should care. You need to tell me why I should care. That's why. All right. Now, two examples that show why this issue is important. I say that because maybe you're talking about homelessness and you want to share the story of a couple of homeless people, or pictures from areas where a lot of people are being fed, or a lot of people are having to find shelter in this cold weather, or something like that. Give me two examples of this in local Hartford areas, things I would recognize. Now, who besides you says this is a problem? This is where you're going to find your experts. It's not just me saying it's a problem. Everybody, the government says it's a problem, and here's the governor talking about it, or here's the Mayor Bronin talking about it, or here's this celebrity or political leader talking about it. Not celebrities aren't really experts, but political leaders or world experts in this problem, or scholars. Give me two other really expert people who also agree it's a problem and what they are saying. And then give me at least three things that the reader can do. This is you can help. You're going to go right in their face and say, you can help. And you can say, you can do this because it's going to do this. You can do this and it's going to do this. You're going to do this and it's going to do that. And again, down here are your sources. Make sure I have all of those. Get started on that. Get as much information as you can. Have this ready for me by Thursday's class. Good luck. Talk to you soon.